Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best billiard gloves is probably one of the most important yet overlooked accessories in the world of cue sports. A high-quality glove can dramatically improve your game by enhancing your grip, reducing friction, and ultimately leading to more consistent and accurate shots, so choosing the right one can significantly impact your performance and enjoyment of the game. Let's dive into what makes a great billiard glove and how to find the perfect fit for your needs. Number 5. Junkin Billiard Gloves. This package offers 15 billiard gloves in 3 classic colors, red, black, and blue. They're stylish and practical, perfect for everyday use or sharing with friends. These gloves comfortably wrap your palm and 3 fingers, absorbing sweat and preventing slippage. The half-finger design keeps your fingers cool and flexible. Made from breathable spandex, they're smooth, comfortable, and easy to wash. They're built to last and provide reliable performance. Measuring approximately 7.68 by 3.94 inches, these gloves are stretchy and fit most adults. They're designed for both men and women. Great for billiards, snooker, and other sports, these gloves are a practical accessory. They also make a thoughtful gift for sports enthusiasts. What we like. It's a great value with 15 gloves in 3 colors. If you need many gloves for frequent use or sharing, this is perfect for you. The variety of colors also adds a touch of fun to your game. You'll always have a fresh glove on hand. What people say. I received exactly what I ordered. Order shipped fast. Quality is good. Can't beat the quality on these billiard gloves. Number 4. CUESOUL Billiard Gloves. Get ready to elevate your billiards game with our new gloves. They're designed for ultimate comfort and performance, ensuring a superior grip. This economical pack gives you plenty of spares. You'll always have a fresh glove ready to go. These gloves are designed to fit both men and women, and are ambidextrous. Enjoy a perfect fit, regardless of your hand. The elastic wristband provides a snug and comfortable fit. You'll barely notice it's there. Made from a breathable, flexible, and durable material, they'll last through countless games. Enjoy comfort and performance that endures. Choose from classic black, or add a pop of color with red, green, or blue. Find the perfect match for your style. What we like. This pack offers 10 gloves at a budget-friendly price. If you're looking for a cost-effective option that still provides good quality and fits most players, this is a great choice. It's perfect for teams or those who want to keep spares on hand. What people say. They are light, comfortable, and reasonably durable as long as one does not rub them into the table bed cloth repeatedly. They are well made, consistent, the color does not bleed, and the 2 I have tried thus far have fit perfectly on my medium hand. I play pool 4 hours a day and get a consistent smooth feel from my cue shaft. Number 3. Billiard Glove. Experience the difference. This glove enhances your game, providing a consistent, smooth stroke every time. Designed for ultimate comfort, it fits either hand and is perfect for all players, regardless of gender or game. This glove is designed to fit everyone. It's stretchy, form-fitting, and breathable, ensuring a comfortable experience. With it, every shot feels the same. Say goodbye to inconsistent strokes and hello to improved accuracy. Whether you have sweaty hands or are playing in humid weather, this glove will keep you comfortable and in control. It's easy to keep clean. Simply wash and reuse it for long-lasting performance and value. Get superior comfort and performance at an affordable price. It's a true value for your money. What we like. It's designed for ultimate comfort and convenience. If you need a glove that fits either hand and provides a consistent feel, this is the one for you. The comfortable fit makes every shot smooth and even, regardless of your hand dominance. What people say. The snug fit and smooth texture ensure a consistent grip, making every shot effortless. This glove seems to be a little thicker on the palm and on the back of your hand. It's one size fits all. It fits tight but feels great and does a great job. It feels great knowing my shaft won't get rubbed up against my skin. Number 2. Elastic Billiard Gloves. These gloves are designed to enhance your billiard game. They offer flexibility and control, allowing for smooth cue stick movement. Made from breathable and stretchy spandex, it maximizes shaft movement and provides a comfortable fit. Enjoy superior comfort during extended play. The middle finger is exposed for better cue control, while the thumb and index finger are closed for a secure grip. Experience the perfect balance of precision and comfort. It features an adjustable Velcro wrist strap for a customized fit. Ensure a secure and comfortable fit every time. It can be worn on either your right or left hand. Suitable for both right-handed and left-handed players. These gloves fit nicely and allow your cue stick to glide smoothly while maintaining control. Elevate your game with ease and precision. What we like. This glove prioritizes quality and adjustability. If you need a glove that's breathable, stretchy, and fits perfectly with an adjustable Velcro closure, this is ideal. The high-quality spandex ensures a comfortable and secure fit for every shot. What people say. Great durability, fits great, and it lasted an whole year of playing 2 to 3 times a week. Glove fits snug, and does not stretch out quickly. Holds up good. The glove fits very well, and the closed-end thumb and finger is a plus for me when I use a closed bridge as needed. Number 1. IBS 3 Fingers Billiard Gloves. Experience superior comfort and control with these expertly designed gloves. They're crafted for enhanced grip and feel, taking your game to the next level. These gloves provide exceptional grip, allowing for precise cue control and consistent shots. Feel the difference in your game immediately. Made from high-quality spandex, they're breathable, stretchy, and durable. Enjoy ultimate comfort and performance throughout your game. The 3-finger design allows for natural hand movement and prevents slippage. It's designed for optimal cue control and accuracy. Choose from a range of stylish colors to match your personal style and preferences. Find the perfect pair to complement your look. These gloves are designed for serious players. They offer the performance and durability you need to excel. What we like. It's a professional-grade glove made from high-quality spandex. If you are a serious player who values performance and wants a glove that's durable and comfortable, this is the perfect option. The 4 color options allow you to match your style. What people say. Great fit. Made better than the cheaper gloves I have been using. Really like how it fits at the wrist. The material is smooth and fits comfortably. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.